Pro-engineered prismatic and multi-surface milling solution. It could be named a virtual milling specialist for prismatic machining. Users around the world find that it greatly and affordably increases NC productivity and improves manufacturing process execution in the shop floor. Some of the features and benefits are: provides the functionality to create NC sequences for 2.5 and 3-axis multi-surface milling, including support for 4-axis and 5-axis positioning. It improves product quality and manufacturing consistency by generating toolpath directly on solid models. As part of an integral CAD/CAM solution, no data translation is required. It reduces time to market with associative toolpath updates to design changes. It also allows the extraction of manufacturing annotation features. Pro-engineered prismatic and multi-surface milling package optimizes the complete workflow of NC program creation, process documentation, post-processing, and toolpath verification and simulation. I encourage you to take a look at the Pro-engineered product pages on PTC.com.